So on the cover of their little catalog, which is always in their boxes, this time around is Venus Williams, and I love this. It goes over the contents of the box, which I always save until the end so I can be surprised, but I love it because it tells you like what's like the value of everything inside. So although the box is $49.95, the total value, depending on what you get, anywhere from $227 to $314. So that's amazing. There is a HelloFresh coupon in here, $50 off. You guys know I love HelloFresh. And then let's open it up. They always have everything packaged so sweetly, and oh my god, I'm already so excited. What I love about Fabfitfun is there's always highly recognizable brands and products, and then some that I've never heard of or tried, but that always become my favorite. So I'm gonna reach for the ones that stood out to me. There is a Ouai leave-in conditioner, and I know this is expensive. You can get this at Sephora. I love Ouai products. I use their wave spray, their memory mist. Never tried their leave-in conditioner, but this is so great for the summertime especially. Oh my god! And then Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. One of the bloggers I follow swears by this, and it always raves about it. It's an eye depuffing gel. So I am gonna give this a try like tonight. I'm really excited, and I know this is like 50 bucks. So that's good. There is a Swell bottle in here. It has cute little bumblebees all over it. That's really nice. Sip by Swell. So it keeps your drinks hot or cold. And I have been drinking water like it's going out of style, so I really appreciate that. Lavito body lotion, mandarin orange and bergamot. Let's see. That smells really good. It smells like a Hawaiian beach vacation. That's nice. Serena Williams. There's a jump rope in here. So there's always contents in here for beauty, fitness, skincare, home decor, everything in between. What is this? This is a Show Me Your Moo, which is a really nice brand. What is this though? Show Me Your Moo. Oh my god, it's a robe. It's a robe. What? I'm gonna open that in a second. I need to take a picture of this stuff. Oh my god. These are Quay Sunnies. OMG. Oh my god. This is like one of the nicest boxes I think I've ever gotten. So these are the Vivian style, and they're black aviators, which I love. I actually have a pair from Stella, and every time I wear them I get questions, but I actually always link these because they're so similar. These are a little bit bigger, but I love these. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. What is this big tub? This is Champagne Charcoal Scrub Exfoliant Relax by Mana Kadar. The packaging is really pretty. I love having a good exfoliator coming up on like spring, summer, because sometimes I like to do self-tanning and I always exfoliate beforehand. Oh my god, stop. That smells so good. Oh my god. It smells like a fruity, chewy candy. I want to eat this. Wow. I honestly don't think I've ever smelled anything this good. What? It's so good that I need to go on their website and see if they make like a body oil or a perfume. Wow. I am really excited about that. And I think that is everything. Holy cow. So the Quay Sunnies, the Ouai, and the Dr. Brandt, like I'm so excited. And then the robe, let me just look at what everything costs. So with each box, some stuff is standard, everyone gets the same things, and some stuff there's like different varieties. So you might have like something that's a different color, a different style, or just a different product altogether. Every box, it looks like everyone got the Ouai leave-in conditioner, the Dr. Brandt, and the Champagne Body Scrub, which retails for $24. The Dr. Brandt retails for $42, and the Way retails for $26. Show Me Your Moo Moo robe retails for $84. If you didn't have that in your box, there is a Delu Demi backpack for $75 or an aromatherapy diffuser for $55. The Quay Sunnies, there's actually 2 styles. So I got the Vivian. There's also a style called My Girl, where you might have gotten a picnic set or a Korres Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleep Facial, which I've tried and is really good. If you didn't get the body lotion, there's either a mystery item or these really pretty copper-plated measuring spoons. So here's the backpack. The diffuser is kind of hard to see. The other style of Sunnies, Korres, and then measuring spoons, which are really cute. If you didn't get the Sip by Swell bottle, then you would have gotten either the Ciate translucent setting powder, which I would have loved, or a necklace, a pretty dainty bar necklace. And then the jump rope, you would get either a detox brush, which looks like a dry brush, or the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser, which I've heard great things about. And then sunglasses were $60, body lotion $19. This is amazing. I am so excited. I think the thing I'm most excited about are these sunglasses. These are really nice, and these are totally my style. I love that they're all like black. I love them. So I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox the spring box. If you guys want to get your box, I'll put my code in the description box below. These boxes never disappoint. I've been subscribed to them for going on 3 years now. I've discovered so many great products thanks to them, and yeah, this is another great one. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.